Assalamualaikum, welcome to Breathing Spell. I'll share a recipe which will help you guys to lose your weight. Eating a healthy balanced diet is an important part of maintaining good health and can help you to feel your best. A balanced diet gives your body the nutrients it needs to function correctly. To get the nutrients you need, most of your daily calories should come from fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. Now I'll share a healthy diet recipe. Take all your favorite veggies, wash them and put them to boil with salt until it gets tender. Take a quarter piece of chicken, wash it and boil it with salt, garlic and ginger paste. Put all the veggies and chicken in a bowl, marinate them with smoked paprika, black pepper, olive oil. If you are a spice lover, you can add chili flakes too. To lose weight first, you need to try some tips like do not skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you to lose your weight. Eat regular meals, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, get more active, drink plenty of water, eat high fiber foods, use a smaller plate. Here in weight loss, more importantly, try not to focus on the number skills. Instead, pay attention to how you feel physically and mentally. Making positive changes to your lifestyle boosts your energy and gives you a better sense of well-being. Now preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes on 350 degrees Celsius. After the preheat, put all your ingredients to a air fryer on 360 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. After the countdown is complete, take a spatula, turn around all the ingredients for another 5 minutes with the same heat. Actually, you can make changes to a lifestyle that make it easy for you to manage your weight, like eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, finding healthy outlets for stress, and sleeping 7 to 9 hours a night. Now serve the food in a plate and enjoy your meal. I hope my quick recipe helps you guys in maintaining a balanced diet. Thank you so much guys for subscribing my page. Bye.